Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 21 in this series. So today's question is this one here. As usual guys, pause the video, try the question by yourself and see how far you can go with it. Alright, I'm hoping you've had a chance to actually have a crack at this question. Basically, I'm going to show you guys two methods for this question. So the first method is this one here. So write down r squared minus 25 over q equals r plus 5. I'm going to rearrange so that q ends up being on the right hand side, which means it will actually be getting multiplied by r plus 5. So you're going to get r plus 5 multiplied by q. And in the next step, I'm going to bring in the r plus 5 to the denominator because it's getting multiplied. It would become r plus 5. And that's now equal to q. So what I can do is r squared minus 25, I can factorize as r minus 5 and r plus 5. And that whole thing is being divided by r plus 5. And all of that is equal to q. So once I have a common factor, in this case, which is r plus 5 and r plus 5, I'm left over with q is equal to r minus 5. Okay, now some of you might wonder, well, why can't I actually stop at this point here? Well, you can't stop at that point is because you've got r squared in one of the terms. And really, the question's asking in terms of r. So we got q equals r minus 5. Now I'll show you guys how to do the second method. So with the second method, what I do is r squared minus 25 over q equals r plus 5. I factorize r squared minus 25, so I'm going to get r minus 5 multiplied by r plus 5. And all of that is divided by q, which equals to r plus 5. So what I can do at this point is, because the numerator is getting multiplied, I can do something like this. I can write r minus 5 over q multiplied by r plus 5 equals r plus 5. And here's the kicker. You got to think about it. This number right here in the orange box has to equal to 1, because 1 times r plus 5 equals r plus 5. So then I can say r minus 5 over q equals 1. And now, cross multiplying q, I end up with r minus 5 equals q. And as you can see, it is the same answer as what we get here. Alright, and that's basically it for this little video, guys. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. But apart from that, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.